All right, we got a Subaru boy. It's gonna be a 2013 Forester. We got a little issue here with the window not working, so let me show you guys what's happening. It's completely dead. All the other windows work, but just not the driver's side. So I did take off the switch in a previous video. Tested that, it's good, it's getting power, sending power. I tested the regulator and that's receiving power, but it's just not spinning. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the regulator today. So the first step here is remove this cover with a pick, a screwdriver, something like that. There's gonna be a Phillips head right here. There's also a Phillips head. And then I think that's it. Then I'll show you how to take off the door panel from there. Okay, next step is to remove the window switch. So if you get like a pick or something like that, just to get it started, then you can get one of these guys under there and pry it out the rest of the way. Then you just want to take off these plugs here. Okay. There we go. And then this one here. On this one, push it right here. Don't push it up here. Push it down here below the tab. Okay. So now we've got two more bolts right here that we're gonna take out. And then now we should be good to start removing this door panel. Kind of the same way that you get the bezel for the window switch off. Just kind of work around it all the way. Oh, and then I forgot, you want to also take this off. And then this unplugs here easily. Okay. Fish the wires through. And down here where the light is, there's going to be a plug on the inside that you'll want to disconnect so you can actually get the whole door panel off. And then move these out of the way so that they don't fall over. Alrighty. And I think now we're ready to remove it. There we go. go. Just like that. Now these can be a little tricky. What you're going to want to do is just pull it out of the bracket and then move the wire so that it's free of the door handle. Just like that. And same thing on this one for the lock. Okay. Oop. And now down here, we just unplug this guy and then the door panel should come off. So what you'll have to do is peel off this plastic here all the way around to actually get to the regulator. So you can just peel it off, try not to rip it, and then that'll help us get in here where the regulator is. So here's how you get the regulator out. So you've got the glass, since it's all the way up. There's a bracket in here where my hand is. See, there's one, and then I don't know if you can see, in there is the other bolt. You'll want to remove those, and that's what's actually going to release the glass. It'd be helpful if we could slide this down, but I don't want to wreck the regulator, so you also have to unplug this. These 3 bolts take off the motor, and these 4 bolts are actually going to unbolt the track. Okay, I'm gonna try to get the window out now. Get the glass out. So we've got everything unbolted, just trying to figure out the best way to actually get the window down. I'm thinking about cutting the wire, but I want to make sure that this new regulator works first. So this is the new one that I got on Amazon. So we're gonna plug the window switch back in and test it. So check it out, driver window. We got operation, so that proves that the switch is good. Now we could go ahead and cut the wire on the other one, so it'll be this wire right here, and then we can get the window down and proceed. So the reason I wanted to verify that the other regulator was good is because I'm going to go ahead and cut this wire right here, and then that should release the window. So just grab a pair of little snips like this and you can cut the wire. All right, so when you cut it, you have to cut it in 2 places, right? So your motor will be in there like that, so you have to cut it right here, and that will actually release the window to let it slide down. I cut it here first, but that didn't do anything. So anyways, once that's done, you have your regulator right here, and just like I already cut the motor off, the motor's right here. Uh-oh. Something else came with it. Oh no, see, that's the part that I cut. All right, and now we can put the new regulator in, put the window back in, put everything back together. We'll be good to go. Okay, so with the new regulator, you want to fish it in through here and then position it. And then here's the plug, obviously. Tighten, there's 7 bolts total. They're all 10 millimeter. And then we can put the window back in. All right, now it's in there. Everything's working. I'm gonna leave it like that to make it easier to bolt the window in. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna clean the glass, reinstall. We should be good. Put the door panel back on, and we got a working window again.